Hi, it's Chester at Blue Pecan Computer Training, and in this video I want to show you how to convert a text string so that we have first letter as a capital and the rest of the letters as lowercase. I'm going to show you two ways of doing this, one with a formula and one without a formula. Let's actually start without a formula. What you do in a column next to the column that you have the original text in, you start typing the text as you want it to appear. Press enter, and then you come down to the next cell and type in that initial capital B. It auto-completes that particular value, but if you have a look down the rest of the list, it's suggested results for the other values in that column as well. So I can just press enter to confirm and it does the job for me. Another way of achieving this is type the first value in as we did previously, then Control Enter to confirm and Control E to complete the rest of the task. This method is called flash fill. It only kind of works with quite simple text, and it's also not available in earlier versions of Excel. It's worth knowing about the formula way of doing things. Now, the first function I'm going to teach you about is called left. Left extracts the first or leftmost character in a text string. It has an argument called text, which is the text you want to extract characters from. Number of characters you only use if you want to extract more than one character. We don't, we just want to extract one character, and you can see it's extracted the K. Now I want that K to be uppercase. I can put this left function in a function called upper. And there's my capital K. What I need to do is to return the rest of the text string in lowercase. Now I can use a function called mid for that. Equals mid. The first argument is text, so that's the text I'm extracting characters from. Second argument is start number, so the position of the first character we want to return, well, that will be 2, the second character. Number of characters, well, that's the number of characters we want to return from the second position. That would depend on the length of the text string. Well, what we can do is use len, which returns the number of characters in the text string, and that will give us more than enough characters to return, but enough characters. I press enter, you can see it returns the rest of the text string, but I want that in lowercase, so I put it within a function called lower. Got a capital K there and the rest of the text in lowercase. Now to combine both, what I can do is this. Let's try it over here. I would take this and I'll paste it in here, and then I want to concatenate it with the result of the mid function. What I'm going to do is take this formula, copy it, go back into this formula, and I'm going to say ampersand, which concatenates, joins, and paste in the mid function, and there we have it. We have the first character in uppercase and the rest of the characters in lowercase, and if I copy it down, you see that it works for all product descriptions. Okay, so I'll leave that formula in the description of this video, plus I'll leave a link to this file so that you can use it. But that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. Hopefully you found it useful. Please subscribe if you have, and I'll see you next video.